Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Chevy Silverado 4500. Wait, it doesn't look like a Silverado. Well, unlike the 65, I think they have a 4500 version, the 5500 and a 6500. This is known as the LCF. It's the cab over limited front design. I forget what LCF stands for. Just check this thing out. One I drove prior to this was a box truck on a longer chassis. This is a much narrower chassis with the dump body, or kind of like a dumpster design. Yes, I know there's only one screw hanging on, but hey, it's still pretty cool. Here's your rollers. Not gonna use this just because I don't want to break anything. Engine's right there. Nice V8 gasoline motor. This is known as an Isuzu in European markets. Hey, cup holders. Look at that. I didn't know that was there. Do have power mirror switches up here. Actually, both are power, which is actually quite impressive. That. This can be an armrest. Tray table. Both pedals are on the right side of the steering column. I'm not sure if they offer this in manual in other markets. Backup beeper, of course. Sun visor. Yeah. It's massive, frankly. All right. Okay. What won't come across on camera is when you have the passenger window down, the intake is right there. So you're in front of the intake, so all you hear is just a little sucking in of the intake. It's awesome. I got a lot of interesting comments last time I drove one of these, saying, "You're not a true car guy if you like driving these." Well, a true car enthusiast can appreciate every single thing they drive, and they can find those things that make it really, really special. And plus, there's not many videos on these. I'm one of the only channels that's had the 6500, the 4500 LCF, especially in point of view drive format, and I treat every vehicle the same. I refuse to be. Why'd I do that? Well, there's your fuses. They're there. You can get a 4-door design. We had one, but it was just a cutaway chassis. That's what they all start out as. But if you've ever driven a cutaway chassis, you realize just how stiff the ride really is and how jarring it is. Visibility, sorry, they're 60. Visibility is absolutely excellent. I can see out in front of me better than any other vehicle I've ever driven, except for a bicycle. Does sound really, really good for what it is. Love this thing, guys. There is no airbags, no airbags in this. Either because the airbag would just go up in the air. So if I die, I die. Handling, drives kind of like a dump truck, just a little bit, because, well, it is one. But it's fun. You know, it's a lot of fun to sit there, and the driving experience is just so different. I've never driven anything that has a driving experience like this. If you can ever drive a cab over truck, because you don't need a CDL for this. This is just, you know, need a normal driver's license. So if you could ever drive one of these, you will understand, you know, just how kind of weird it is, because you're sitting right over the front axle. So, you know, when you turn, you're kind of like where the engine would be. It's really, really funky. It's really, really a cool experience, and I love filming trucks, big commercial vehicles, because a lot of people don't have an opportunity to drive them. And so they don't really understand what it's like to drive in one of these. And honestly, it's a lot of fun. Obviously not in the performance aspect, but just being so different. Would I daily drive it? Absolutely not. But do I love driving these whenever I get the chance? Absolutely. These trucks are so much fun. Oh, I love these things so much. That note, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.